Scene 1, six friends are planning a long-awaited get-together in the heart of Hyderabad. The reunion is set for 11 a.m. the next day, and everyone is eager to arrive on time. Their details, names, hometowns, and roles are carefully stored in a file named actors.json. Meanwhile, all the travel routes and estimated travel times are mapped out in directions.json. By comparing the information in both files, the goal is to calculate the exact time each friend needs to begin their journey from their respective locations, ensuring they all reach Hyderabad right on schedule. Code explanation. To begin with, we need to load two essential files into our Python environment, actors.json and directions.json. Let's start with actors.json. This file contains all the key details about the actors involved: names, ages, places of origin, and the roles they play. All this information is neatly stored within a list named actors inside the JSON structure. To work with this data efficiently, we load the JSON file and use the JSON normalize function from the pandas library. This function helps us extract the nested actors list and convert it into a structured data frame format, making it easier to access and manipulate the data. Once processed, all the actor information is stored in a variable called actor.df. Next, we turn to the directions.json file, which holds all the necessary travel information. This file maps out the routes from each friend's location to Hyderabad, listing distances, estimated travel times, and the specific paths they'll take. For example, it might detail the journey from Ernakulam to Hyderabad, including how far it is and how long it will take. Just like with the actors file, we read and load this data, organizing it into a data frame called directions.df. This structured format allows us to easily compare locations and calculate the time each person needs to begin their journey, ensuring everyone arrives in Hyderabad by 11 a.m., right on schedule. With both datasets loaded, the next step is to bring them together. To do this, we use the merge function in pandas. This allows us to combine the two data frames, actor.df and directions.df, based on a common column named from, which represents each person's starting location. Once merged, we refine the data further. Since we're only interested in those traveling to Hyderabad, we filter the merged data frame to include only the rows where the to column is set to Hyderabad. Now comes the crucial part: determining when each friend needs to begin their journey. The target arrival time in Hyderabad is 11 a.m. on May 28th. For each person, we already have the estimated travel time in the data. So we simply subtract that travel time from the destination time to calculate their ideal departure time. The final result gives us a clear picture: when each friend should leave their hometown to ensure they all arrive in Hyderabad right on schedule for the get-together.